Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this video, I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story or an article. You should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story or a short article. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Mary prepares her lesson very well. When she gets tired, she goes to the window and looks at the dark sky. The sky is very clear tonight. The moon looks round and it is high in the sky. It is shining brightly over the houses and trees. The stars twinkling very quietly. Mary hears a dog barking far away. What a quiet night. What a quiet night it is. Well, do you still remember the story? Well, now please listen and repeat. Please listen and answer my question. Question number 1. Does Mary prepare her lesson very well? Question number 2. What does Mary do when she gets tired? Is the sky very clear tonight? The next question. Is the moon shining brightly over the house and trees? Are the stars twinkling very brightly? Does Mary hear dog barking far away? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.